Hey guys, today in Art Club with Miss Burford we'll be creating a watercolour wax crayon heart. You'll need a pencil, a sheet of A3 watercolour paper, scissors, wax crayons, a sponge spreader, water and some watercolours. Firstly, draw your heart with a pencil so you can rub out any mistakes, but you just want to draw the main outline and really fill your sheet of A3 paper. When you're happy with your heart, you can go over it with a wax crayon in a colour of your choice. So think about what colour you would like your paint to be of your heart. So if you want it to be yellow, choose a darker colour crayon. If you want it to be like a dark colour, then choose a lighter colour crayon so that you get a lovely contrast when you add your paint. So now you can start adding some decoration to the centre of your heart. You can add some random patterns and doodles. This is where you can tell a story about yourself. You could add flowers, you could add, if you wanted to draw more detailed stuff like birds or some trees or something. This is your place to show your personality in your heart. Even if you want to add something like dinosaurs or aliens or animals, it's to show the kind of things that you love in the heart, but I've just done plain doodles to show you for this one. Continue to fill the whole heart using the same coloured crayon. Next, lay out the colours that you want to use on your heart. Try and choose colours that will blend well, so I've gone for the 3 primary colours on this one. And start with your lightest colour first. So different parts of your heart can have different colours, but I've blended from one side to the other at an angle for mine. That's just my personal preference. You might want to do the 2 top parts of the heart in one colour, the bottom part in another colour, or you might want to do stripes. Again, it's to show your personality and what you love. I chose to start with yellow and I wanted to blend it into blue and possibly add a little bit of red at the bottom so that when you blend them together you get like yellow and blue make green and the red and the blue will make purple. You can get some really pretty colours in the transitions between going from the one colour you're blending with to the next. Don't forget to make your sponge nice and wet so you get some nice soft transitions between the colours, otherwise you'll get some rough edges. However, if your sponge is too wet, then it will wash out the colour of your paint. If you want your paint to be a little bit brighter, then add a bit more colour to your water so it creates a brighter pigment. When you finish covering your whole heart, then you can leave it to dry for about an hour and then just simply cut it out, and then you have a whole heart bursting with your personality. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art club lessons like this every week and other art related content every now and then. See you next week for more art club with Miss Burford.